Welcome to Nijam News India. This is Sheikh Ahmed Mia. Today IHRO distributed vegetables into needy at Addagutta, Secunderabad area. G. Narsimhan and International Human Rights Organization Telugu States Chairman Komu Agirappa participated in this program, and also local volunteers supported to organize this event. Were they Gogula Swami, Makala Kanakaraj, Verulupa Swami, Hanumantu, Lakshman, Raju, Harish, V. Shankar, B. Swami, Tulsiram, Sampath, and Rajesh.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ హ్యూమన్ రైట్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ తరఫున నేను నమస్కారం చేస్తున్నాను. నా పేరు గుంజి నరసింహారావు. నేను రైల్వేలో పనిచేస్తూ ఇండియన్ రైల్వే ఓబీసీ రైల్వే ఎంప్లాయీస్ అసోసియేషన్ తరఫున వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్గా ఉంటున్నాను. అదేవిధంగా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ హ్యూమన్ రైట్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ తరఫున డైరెక్టర్గా తెలంగాణ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్కి కూడా పనిచేస్తున్నాను. అదేవిధంగా వరల్డ్ కమ్యూనిటీ కౌన్సిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ చీఫ్ అడ్వైజర్గా కూడా ఉంటున్నాను. ఈరోజు ప్రపంచమంతా లాక్డౌన్ జరిగి కరోనా వ్యాధి వలన మొత్తం జనజీవనం స్తంభించిపోయి మన చుట్టూ ఉన్న సమాజం మొత్తం కూడా ప్రతిరోజు కూలి పనులు చేసుకుని ప్రజలు అన్ని చోట్ల అన్ని ప్రాంతాల్లో కూడా ఏ రోజుకి ఆ రోజు సంపాదన చేసుకొని ఉండే అసంఘటిత కార్మికులు, అంటే ఆల్ అన్ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ సెక్టర్ లేబర్, దే ఆర్ సఫరింగ్ ఎ లాట్ బికాస్ they are not working. There is no chance of working for earning their food daily, and there is no money in their hands. So in this situation, as a representative of many organizations, social organizations, I myself is contributing on behalf of the International Human Rights Organization for some people to offer the food items like vegetable items today at Addagutta Tukaram Vadira Basti area for about 200 families. And in this vegetable food items, 10 items we are distributing as a small contribution from our side for each family by maintaining the social distance. And also we are educating all the people, families, to maintain cleanliness, to wash their hands using the sanitizers, using the mask like this, and maintaining the social distance with due care, and to cooperate with the government organizations to control the coronavirus disease prevailing all over the world today. As a part of this our activity, we are distributing food items of vegetables for all these 200 families. And in this food vegetable items, we are distributing 10 items, 1 kg of tomato, 1 kg of cucumber, and some other items of carrot, beetroot, onions, which are ready to eat vegetables in case of need. And also we are supplying brinjal item and other vegetable items of total 10 items. It is a small contribution for the prevailing situation in one area. And in the same way, our International Human Rights Organization our chairman, all chairman Sri మీరు మీ పేరు Ahmad?
Sheikh Ahmad Mia.
Sheikh Ahmad Mia also is present here, and in this area our old community people representative Mr. Gogul Swami మనకి హెల్ప్ చేసిన వాడు ఎవరు మార్కెట్ స్వామి మక్కల కనక అంటే ఇంకా నలుగురు కదా మనకు వచ్చింది. హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ ది అవర్ యూత్ వడ్డెర బస్తీ యూత్ ఆర్ కాంట్రిబ్యూటింగ్ హెల్పింగ్ ఫర్ ది డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ హ్యూమన్ రైట్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ chairperson Sri Agrippa also is here. He will also deliver his message in this occasion. Thank you for this message, and I request all the people who see this message, please contribute some food items to the poor people surrounding your residence wherever you are, because the unorganized labor, they are not having money in their hands to purchase, and there is no chance for work to do any work. So that is the reason we are mainly as a representative of Indian Railway OBC Association Vice President, salary earning employees, I am mainly requesting to contribute something from your salary at this situation to help the poor people. Because of this, it is a social responsibility, we have to discharge it. Thank you very much, and our chairman will speak in this occasion. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, to all of my friends, IHRO and team who are working in Hyderabad. So mainly due to the COVID-19, all people are suffering like anything in India and the rest of the world. And as everybody knows that the people are suffering like anything for the food, because 80% of the people are depends upon the daily wage works and poor people. Unless otherwise they work hard, they won't get food for them. Okay, and because of this 1 month, more than 1 month lockdown, sufficiently is not supplied food to many people. A government has taken precautionary and helping measures and all, and they are also helping people like anything, supplying rice and other commodities. Government is supplying, and they are giving some financial support also, 500-1500 rupees like that. Central government and state government, they are helping who are having ration cards, and few people who are migrated also. But that is not sufficient, and many people are suffering for the food, because as we know in the news also we are seeing so many people are migrants are going to their native places by walk on road. Hundreds of kilometers they are walking in a summer, heated, and it's temperature. So many people are died before reaching their native places also. They are starving like anything. And this thing is happened because of lack of hope whether they get food sufficient or not. That is the reason they started walking to their native places. Actually here governments they fail to give their assurance, stay here, we'll take care of you. Even the government told that, but they cannot actually unable to get their confidence. Because of that, most of the people, hundreds of people, they are actually walking to their native places. Still they are walking for nearly 1 month, 25 days, 30 days, like that it is taking. So actually, International Human Rights Organization, I am Agrippa, International Human Rights Telangana State Chairman, and Gunji Narasimha Rao garu, he is Director, International Human Rights Organization, Director for Environment, and he has actually sponsored vegetables, more than 10 items to the poor people. What are community people, they are struggling lot for the food and all here in Adagutta area. So he has come forward with wholeheartedly. He is sponsoring this program to give more than 100 people. There is around 200 people. 200 people he is sponsoring, and around 10 vegetables, 10 types of vegetables and salad. He is distributing. We are all distributing here to support them in this corona lockdown situation. So many people I am requesting through media, I am requesting everyone to come forward and help the neighbors, because so many people are suffering after this corona. Even people are expecting that this corona, more than corona, and people will die because of the starving for the food. This kind of things are predicting. Many social activities are predicting that. So this is the right time to come forward, the social activities, and many people, they should support poor people. They should give food to the poor people so that they can survive and come out of these problems. So who are all helping here? Mr. Swami and other people. Here youth are there, around 10-15 people are there. They have come forward from this community, whatever community, and they are coming forward and helping this area. So I am congratulating them. So like this, they should come forward to serve their community. Like that, every community, they should come forward to help them and help them, because this is the situation. Corona is actually the troubling total world. Even America, country like America also suffering lot. More than 50,000 deaths are happening there. More than 7-8 lakhs people are suffering with COVID corona. So here actually we should be very careful, because prevention is better than cure. So people, I am advising people through media, so they should be very careful. They should wash their hands and with the sanitizer and soap for 20 seconds. They should wash with soap 20 seconds the hands frequently, and they should cover their mouth and nose with the mask, and they should be maintain social distance and all. Okay, these kind of things, if they maintain, then we can stop the propagation of the corona. So thank you so much giving this opportunity from this community. Okay, thank you so much.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మా పేరు గోగుల స్వామి. మా బస్సులో ఉదర బస్సులో కొంచెం ఎవరు వచ్చి సాయం చేస్తలేరని నరసింహ సార్కు ఫోన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సారు నరసింహారావు సార్ గారు, అగిరప్ప సార్ గారు, మళ్ళా సెక్రటరీ గారు, వీళ్ళంతా వచ్చి మా బస్సుకి కూరగాయలు పంచడం జరుగుతుంది. వారికి ధన్యవాదాలు. అలాగే మా ఉదర కాలనీకి అందరికీ కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు. అందరు సహకరిస్తున్నారు.
నా పేరు గోగుల స్వామి.
అందరికి ధన్యవాదాలు.